Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm here with a new video of question solving of further pure mathematics paper 1, and you can see the paper reference here for PM1/01, which is January 2023. So let's get started on the first problem. So the first problem is the nth term of an arithmetic series is an, where some of the terms are given, which is a10, a11, a12, and a19, a20, a21. So how can we find a1? And I hope you already know that a1 is simply indicating the first term of that series. And basically it is an arithmetic series, so we need to apply the formula of arithmetic series. So how can we solve this problem? Let's get started from here. Okay, so let me write the solution from here. Okay, so how can we solve this problem? So we know a formula of arithmetic series, which is the nth term of any arithmetic series can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so the first term is a10. Okay, so what we can write is the 10th term. Okay, so the 10th term will be 10th term will be a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So it is basically a plus 90. Okay, so for the 11th term, we can write a plus 11 minus 1 into d, which is a plus 10d. And similarly for the a12, which is 12th term, we can write as a plus 12 minus 1 into d. So this is basically a plus 11d. Okay, so the next thing is they are telling us that the sum of these three terms is 129. So how can we find the sum of these three terms? We can simply write a plus 9d plus a plus 10d plus a plus 11d, which is equals to 129. Okay, so similarly for this term, we can also write a plus 18d plus a plus 19d plus a plus 20d. I hope you understand this concept. So from here, I use the same formula to find out this expression. Okay, so now we need to solve these two expressions to find out the value of a and to find out the value of d. So here we can solve it as 3a, and what if we add 11d, 10d and 9d? We will simply get 30d is equals to 129. And from here, it is also 3a, and we can write 18 plus 19 plus 20. What we will get 20 plus 18 plus 19, 57, d as 237. Okay, so now we got two equation here. So if we solve this two equation, we will get the value of a and we will get the value of d. Okay, so let's solve this two equation by using any types of formula like simultaneous equation solving procedure. Like we are using here the elimination process. Okay, so from 1 we can write 3a plus 30d is equals to 129, and from 2 we can write 3a plus 57d is equals to 237. Okay, simply subtract these two terms. These two terms will get cancelled out, and from here we will get 27d minus is equals to 801, and it will be minus also, and 27d is equals to 108 and d equals to 108 divided by 27. Okay, so which is basically 4. So we got the value of d, which is 4, and d is the difference between the term of this series. And if we replace the value of d in any of this equation, in equation 1 or equation 2, we can find out the value of a. Okay, so let's suppose we are going to use equation a. So from a, or from 1, we can write 3a plus 30d, which is 129, and simply replace D as 4 and solve it for A. So we will get 120 as 129 and 3A equals to 129 minus 120 and 3A equals to 9 and A equals to simply 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So we got our first term here and we got the term difference also, and the question is asking about A1. So basically this is our A1, which is the first term, and we can write A1 as, the first term is 3. Okay, so this is going to be our answer. Okay, I hope you all understand. Let's move on to the next question.